go pick it up. And after he pulled through the line, he encountered the pedestrian. I believe it was a high school kid. It was on lunch break.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
State versus Eduardo Jose Medina. Can I have parties announced?
Andrew Harrison, State.
Your Honor, Mark Braswell for the defense.
And are you Mr. Medina?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is that Aaliyah? Who is that?
Yes, that is Lee.
Yeah. That's all right.
Yes, ma'am. Very much. Very much.
Did you understand you're charged with a collision involving serious bodily injury as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Sure.
All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We're ready, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, at the time of this offense, my client was working, and this was a short lunch break. He had called in an order of food at a Chick-fil-A, and went to go pick it up. And after he pulled through the line, he encountered the pedestrian. I believe it was a high school kid. It was on lunch break. And he did stop. He did get out of his car to check on him. And then I think at that point, he pulled out to a Wendy's parking lot and then fled the scene. We've reviewed the evidence. We understand. I've watched the videos. I mean, the fire truck came, ambulance came. She was hurt. She was taken away on a gurney. We've agreed to make full restitution, which we believe the amount is $6,000. He's going to do that. But my client is a U.S. citizen. He has some criminal history, but I mean that this was not a act of malice. I think it truly was an accident. I think he probably got scared, maybe fled the scene. Stupid.
So when is he paying this? When are you paying this $6,000?
As soon as possible.
What does that mean?
Under a year.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a sous chef at Pinstead.
All right. How much are you able to pay per month towards this $6,000?
Say 600, 700.
All right. Here's the thing. Don't tell me what I want to hear. Tell me what you can do. Because if you tell me you're able to pay $600 per month, then I'm going to put you down as paying $600 per month. And if you don't pay $600 per month, there may be a motion to revoke file. So how much are you able to pay a month?
$500.
Are you sure?
Definitely.
100%.
100%.
Okay. Do you have any children?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Probation, there's a $500 fine that will be probated. There's a restitution of $6,000 to be payable to Madison Canales or Matt. Is Matt the father?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. It's to be payable to Madison Canales or Matt Canales in the amount of $500 per month. And that's beginning June 1st. So the month of June is when you need to start paying your $500 a month. If it's better for you to pay it the middle of the month, the end of the month, you need to let probation know, and that's when it's going to be due.
Yes, I understand you.
And probation, if you'll make sure that the restitution is paid first, 7 years deferred adjudication, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 200 hours of community service restitution. Those 100 of those hours will be deemed satisfied upon completion of the driver's safety course. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied if you decide to obtain some higher level education or some type of trade school certificate. There should be field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. And no contact with the canalysis. Is there anything else he needs probation? Is there anything else you need in order to be successful on this probation?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. In order to be successful in this court on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know. If something happens and you're not able to make that payment, you need to let them know, and you need to have a good reason why. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Just remain in the courtroom. Probation will go over conditions with you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you,
Have a good rest of your day.
All right, thank you. You too.